Hello, it's Michael Sheen here. I just want to say congratulations to everybody who graduated with their degree from Cardiff University yesterday. It was a real honour for me to be able to share the day with you. It was really, really lovely to be at the ceremony and to see everyone coming up onto the stage and to see all that support from family and friends. It was really, really wonderful. So thank you for letting me be a part of it. And now go off into the world to make an impact, to change everything with your degree. You will be able to shape the community that you are a part of from within it. I hope you go off with confidence, with courage, with fortitude and resilience, and change the world as I know that you can with everything that you've learned here at the university. Very, very good luck to you and congratulations.